Good morning, my dear little stars. So, today I'm here again with maths class. Okay. So, shall we start a new lesson today? Are you ready? So, before starting, what you need to do? You will be ready with your essay. Very good. Notebook, then and workbook, pencil, eraser. So, all are ready with your things. Notebook, workbook, and eraser, pencil, all the things in front of you. Ready? Shall we start a new lesson? Yes. Okay. So, today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is finding how many more or less. Finding how many more and less. How many more and less. More and less. Already we studied. You remember that? Last class we studied more and less. More means more will be there. Less means less only. Today we are going to study what? How many more and how many less. Okay. I will show you one picture. All of you look here. Yes. All of you look here. So in this one rectangle box is there. Here I draw some stars. That means two columns I draw, and upside I draw how many stars here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9 stars I draw there. Okay, so you understood which has more? So we can give A and B for that. Okay, A and B. So in A column, how many are there? How many? Yes, 9 are there. 9 are there. Okay. What about B? What about B? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4 are there. So which column has more? A or B? Which has more? Yes, A have more. A has more. Okay. So we need to know how many more did A has. How many more stars with A. Okay, shall we check how we can check? First we can check how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This column is same no because both A and B have 4 are there. But after that, what? After that, how many stars came? We need to count and check. Okay. Shall we count together? Yes. Okay. Say with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more? How many more? Yes, very good. 5 more. 5 more stars are there. Okay, then what about here? We already told it is less. How many less it will be? How many less? That also we can know by how many empty boxes are there. How many empty boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are same, no? Yes, that means 5 less. 5 less. Understood? 5 less. Okay. One more example. Okay. We can give x and y. We can give, sorry, x not x and y. We can give LM. We can give LM. Okay. See this one. Yes. Which shape is? Which shape? This one you studied already. Which shape? Very good. Semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. So this L and M. L have how many are there? We can count and check. 1, 2, 3 are there. Very good. What about M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So which has more? L or M? Which has more? L or M? C. Yes. See, Yes, very good. Which one has more? M has more. But we need to check how many more are there in group M. How many more? How we can check it? We can check it by counting. Very good. That means we can check it by counting. Okay, in the first column you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 both are same. That means 3, 3 both are same. After that, how many more came in M group? 1, 2, 3. Very good. That means how many more? How many more? Yes, very good. 3 more. So what about here? L. L. How many empty boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 less. Very good. 3 less. Okay. So you understood? Less and more. How we can find less and more? How we can find how many less and how many more? We need to check how many empty boxes are there and how many more draw there. Then we understood how many more are there. See, in the first column, first group, 3 are there. Second group, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we understood M group has more. But we need to check how many more it is. How we can? First we can check it. How we can check? We can take this till here. It is same. Both are same. After that, how many more came? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 more and 3 less. Okay, very good. I will show you one picture. You see, what is this? What is this? You don't know what is this? It is balloons. Very good. It is balloons. What happened? Why are you not saying the answer? Yes, say the answer. What is this? What is this? Yes, it is balloons. Very good. Balloons. Okay. So, group A. See, group A. Group A and group B are there. So, which group has more balloons there? Oh, wonderful balloons are there. Now, you like balloons. Do you like balloons? Yes, wonderful balloons are there. So, we need to check which group has more balloon, A or B. Which group? Which group? Very good. A group. Which group? A group. Yes. Okay, but we need to check. We need to check how many more balloons are there in group A. How many more balloons are there in group A? See, how many more will be there? Till here it is same. 3, 3 both are same. How many more came here? How many more? Yes, very good. 2 more. 2 more. And what about here? Group B, 2 less. 2 less. Very good. What happened? Why you are not saying the answer? Yes. Are you hearing or not? Yes. Are you okay? Shall we continue our class? Yes. Okay. See here. Who is this? Very sweet. What is this? What this picture is there? Which pictures are there? See, whose picture? This kitten. Yes, very small kittens. Okay. See, red color and white color kittens are there. Okay, we need to see. Okay, look here. Red color. How many red color kittens are there? Brown color. Okay, brown color kittens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brown color. How many white color kittens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 white color. So, which kitten is more in number? Which? Brown or white? Brown or white? Yes, who told that answer? Very good. Yes, which one? Brown color kitten is more. But white color is very less only. No? So we need to know how many more this one. How many more? How we can know? We can count and check. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and down also white kitten also 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here it is till here. These both are same. After balance, how many came? 2. Very good. That means what it is? 2 more. 2 more. And what about white kitten? 2 less. 2 less. Understood? Do you get it? How we can find less and more? Okay, I will show you one more. What is this in my hand? balls. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls are there in my hand. Okay, in my one hand, left hand, I have 5 balls. Okay, then left hand 5 balls are there, but in my right hand 2 only, 2 balls only. So which have more, this or this? Yes, very good. This has more ball is there. Okay, so we need to check how many more balls are there. How many more balls are there? My one hand 2 balls and another hand 5 balls are there. How we can check how many more? How many more? One hand 2 are there, and another hand also I took the another 2 also. Then how many more are there? 3 more. Very good. 3 more. And 3, how many less will be there? 3 less. So you understood how we can check it more and less? Yes, very good. Okay. So you understood how we can make how many more and less. How we can find how many more and less. So you all write in your notebook all the things what I draw here. You write or not? Did you write or not? You need to write this. See what I draw here. See here. Okay. Take your notebook and start writing. I am going to give P and Q. Okay. P and Q. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See here. P and Q is there. Inside P group, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about Q? 1, 2, 3 only. Okay. So we need to check how many. We need to check how many. Which group has more? P or Q? Which group has more? Very good. P group. Okay. P group is more. Okay. How many more it is? How many more? How we can see? Yes, we can check it by, first we can took both same. First we need to take same number and we need to hide like this. Okay. Then we can check how many are there. Balance 2. Very good. That means 2 more. That means 2 more. And what about this here? 2 empty boxes are there, no? So that means 2 less. Very good. 2 less. All of you write this in your notebook. Copy it in your notebook. All copy it in your notebook. Yes. Finish. Very good. Okay. So very good. Okay. Then, so we understood how we can find more or less. Now we are going to what study? Making more, less or the same. Making more, less or the same. How we will make more, less, make less, more or same. What do you mean by same? We studied now. Same means, see, how many balls are there in my one hand? 2. And another 2. That means it is same, no? My right hand has 2 balls and left also 2. That means it is same number of things there. Okay. So how we can make same things? Now we are going to study how we can make same things and more and less. Okay. I will show you one example. Here, look, all of you look here. So I draw balls here. How many balls I draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls? 4 balls. We need to make it what? More. Very good. We need to make it more. How we can make it more? How we can make it more? See? How we can make it more? Yes. Very good. We need to draw more. Okay, shall we draw? Yes. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this more or less? More or less? More. So we made this more. Okay. Now we need to make it what? Less. We need to make it less. How we can make it less? How we can make it less? How we can make it? How many are there? 4. Less means we need to cut. Okay, that means we need to cut and draw. So we need to draw here. How many we will draw here? 1, 2. Is that less or more? Less than 4. Isn't it? Less than 4? No. So if we need to make more means we need to draw more. And if we need to make less means we need to draw less number only, or we need to cut it. Okay. Now we need to make same. We need to make same. How we can make it same? How we can make it same? See, how we can make it same? What happened? What happened? Okay, all of you look here. All of you look here. Are you tired? Are you tired? No, no. No, my kids are always very superb. No tired. No. No, no. If you're tired, just stand up all from your place. Okay? Then just clap your hands. Okay. Are you okay now? Okay. Then shall we continue our lesson? Yes, very good. Okay? Come and sit on your place and look here. We need to make the balls same. How we can make it same? How we can make it same? Yes, we need to draw as same as the same. How many balls are there? A same number of balls we need to draw. Here 4 are there. So we need to draw 4 balls there. So we need to draw 4. Same. Understand? So how we can make a thing more means we need to draw more. Less means we need to draw less number of things. Same means the same number what we have, that same number we need to draw. Understood? Okay. So let's show an example. If you need to make a thing, okay, I will show. Look here, all of you, one flower. Right? How many flower I draw here? How many flower I draw? 2 flower I draw. But I need 5. I need 5. You remember that last class we took, no? Yes. Did you remember that one? It's very good. How many flowers I draw here? 2. But I need to make it what? 5. How we can make it 5? How we can make it 5? Yes, very good. We need to draw more. Very good. So, draw more. From where we will start? After 2. 1, 2. Yes, after 2 what? Yes, very good. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Yes. So how many more I draw there? How many more I draw there? 3 more. Very good. 3 more. Then I made it what? 3 more. Then how many are there? 3 more I draw and I make it 5 flowers. Are you happy? You got 5 flowers? No? Yes. So I make it 3. I draw 3 more and I make it 5. Okay. Can I ask one thing? 5 flowers are there. How many flowers now total? How many flowers are there together? 5 are there. So can I ask one thing? How can we make it less? How can we make it less? How can we make it less? Yes, we need to draw less than 5. We need to draw less than 5. Okay, shall we check and draw? Yes, okay. How we can? So, already 5 are there. How many are there? So, 5 are there. So, we need to make it less means what? Less. Okay, less means 5 needed. 5 needed. No. So, we need to draw. Okay, all of you look. 1, 2. Yes. Now is it less or more? Yes, less. That means we draw less what? Less number of what? Less 5 number of flowers we draw there. We draw less 5. No, less 5. That means what? 3 flowers only we draw. That means 3 means less than 5. Understood? Okay. So how we can make it more? How we can make it more? How we can make it more? Now 5 flowers are there. How we can make it more? How we can make it more? Say. Yes, we can make it more by? Yes, very good. Drawing more. So 1, 2, 3 flowers are there. 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So we can make it by drawing more. Then it is more than 5. No. Is it? It is more than 5. No. 7 number of flowers came. That means it is more than 5. Very good. Okay. Then we need to make it same. We need to make it same. How we can make it same? How we can make it same? How we will say make it same? Yes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So we need to draw the same number of flowers. Same number of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you look here. What happened? In the first box, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second box also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are same. Are you happy? Yes, very good. Both are same. So you understood how we can make less, more or same. Okay. Shall we do the workbook? All of you take your workbook fast. Fast, fast, fast. All of you take your workbook. Yes, very good. Shall we do it now? Shall we do it now? Yes. Did all took your workbook? Say yes or no. Yes, very good. Okay. In that workbook, page number 19. You need to take page number 19. Then what you need to do? You need to write today's date here. You need to do today's date right here. Okay, shall we start? What is the first question here? What is the first question here? Page number 19 you took, no? Then first, S3 finding how many more or less. So, we need to do the first question. What is the first question? Color the group that has more birds. Color the group that has more birds. Which group has more? Here or here? First one, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5 are there. Second B, 1, 2. So which is more? Which is more? First one. Very good. So you need to color the what? This one. Color this one. All of you do fast. Do fast, do fast. Finish. Very good. Okay, then number 2. Number 2. Already A. Complete what? Complete the table. 1 has been done for. Already they done 1. That means A, they done 1. What? You remember this one? What I told you? Do you remember this one? Yes. What I told you? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first column, 6 are there. Second column, 1, 2, 3 are there. So they are asking which is more here? First one. Okay. How many more are there? How we can know? By checking the empty boxes you see here. These empty boxes. Then we understood that how many empty boxes are there? 1, 2, 3 empty boxes are there. That means 3 more. And here 3 less. Very good. Next one also. B. Count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. First column, 9 are there. Second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So which is more? This or this one? Very good. This is more. But we need to check how many more. See, till here it is both are same. So after 2 empty boxes are seeing here. 2 empty boxes. So what will be there? 2 less. 2 less and 2 more. 2 less and 2 more. Very good. Next one you see. Same. See? Here above 3 are there. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. So which is more? here? Very good. This one is more. But we need to check how many more. How many more? How can we check? 1, 2, 3. This same we can do. After that, the empty boxes you are seeing, no? Empty boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 7 more and 7. 7 more here. 7 more. But empty boxes are there. There we need to write 7 less. Very good. You finish all? Do you finish? Did you finish all the work? Yes? Okay. Shall we go with third one? Third question. You see third question here. There are 10 more white puppies than brown puppies. There are dash fewer brown puppies than white puppies. How many more white puppies are there? 10 white puppies are there. How many more? 10 white puppies than brown puppies. So which is more here? Which is more here? White puppies. Then what is the question there? There are dash fewer brown puppies than white puppies. Then how many less number of puppies are there than white puppies? How many less number of puppies will be there? How many more number of white puppies are there? They are told. How many more white puppies they told? There are 10 more white puppies. 10 more white puppies than what? Brown puppy. That means 10 more white puppies than brown puppies. But they are asked. What they asked? There are dash fewer brown puppies than white puppies. How many less puppies are there? How many are there? 10 more means here. Yes, 10. What fewer? There are 10 fewer brown puppies than white puppies. Understood? Yes. Okay. Finish all? Yes. Very good. Then turn the page fast. Okay. 20. Page number 20. S4. Making more, less or the same. Okay. You need to write the date here. You need to write the date. Okay. Finish all? Fast? Very good. Superb. Okay. The question is, draw the objects to make 5. Draw the objects to make 5. Okay, here how many are there? 1, 2. How many are there? 1, 2. No, we need to make it 5. How we can make it 5? How we can make it 5? We need to draw more. Very good. We need to draw more. Okay, 2 already there. So we need to count after 2. That means 3, 4, 5. Understood? Yes, now we made it 5. Finish. Very good. Well done. Next one, B. How many are there? 4 are there. 4 are there. So how we can make it 5? 4 already there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How we can make it 5? Yes, we need to draw more. 4, 5. Very good. We need to draw 1 more. Okay. Yes, all of you look here. Finish. Okay. Number 2. Draw more than 4 biscuits. Draw more than 4 biscuits. Draw more than 4 biscuits. How we can draw more than 4 biscuits? We need to draw more than 4 biscuits are there. How many are there? 4 biscuits. But we need to draw more. We need to draw more. Now it is more or same or less? It is same. Very good. But need to draw more. 4 are there. 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you want you can draw. But it should be more than 4. Very good. Finish. Did all finish or not? Finish? Yes, very good. Okay, next question what? Draw less than 7 apples. Draw less than 7 apples. You need to draw less than number of 7. Okay, 7 apples are there. So we need to draw less than 7. Okay. Yes. How many draw here? 3. Is this less or more than 7? Yes, very good. It is less than 7. That means how many apples are draw there? 3. That means 3 is less than 7. Very good. Finish. Very good. Okay. Next, number 3 question. Can I read? Yes. Imran bought 9 apples. He wants to buy fewer, that means less mangoes than apples. How many mangoes can he buy? Imran bought 9 apples. Imran bought 9 apples. He wants to buy fewer mangoes than apples. That I already told. Fewer means less. Less mangoes than apples. So, how many mangoes he can buy? Here the numbers are there, 9, 8, 11. We need to buy less than 9. We need to buy less than 9. That means what will be the answer here? Less than 9. Very good. 8. Very good. So you understood what? Yes. Okay. So you understood what is the concept more, less and same. How we can make more, less and same. Understood? Okay, so what do you need to do? What do you need to do? You need to do the practice questions also. Practice question which? Yes, page number 23, lesson 3 and lesson 4 in your notebook. Okay, so you understood more, less and all the things you understood, no? So, thank you.